Hey, this is Seth Peek with Peek Realty and Peek Painting in San Luis Obispo County. I'm here once again, joined with my friend Harry Bennett from Equity Reach Mortgage. How you doing?
Oh, good, Seth. Thank you so much for inviting me on to these talks. I really enjoy it.
Right on. We've been doing these real estate lending tips of the week, and this week we're going to be talking about USDA loans and how they differ from other loan packages. Where you can use them in the county and the particularities of them.
Yeah.
So, first question I have is, we don't get a lot of buyers that are looking to use a USDA loan. They're not a very common loan product. So just give us a little background of the difference between an FHA and a USDA loan.
Sure. Well, the main difference, and I think across the board, all lenders are going to not really do that much USDA business, right? And it's because there's really not much information on a USDA loan out there. We are fortunate enough to live in a community where we have a strong VA, strong FHA, strong conventional market, and we have the ability of doing a USDA, in certain areas of our county. So that makes it really a great market to live in because you have all these different options, right? So the big difference and the big benefit is that USDA, you can come in with no down payment. That is a huge, huge plus. It's made for specifically low to moderate income families in certain areas that the USDA wants to develop. So that's a big, big, plus for that loan.
Where would we be able to use a USDA loan in our county?
So that's a good question. So actually, we have quite a bit of an area runway to use these loans. So Atascadero would be a perfect area to do that. Paso Robles, Los Osos, Napomo, Guadalupe. There's going to be even more several in between there, but all of those areas would be eligible.
Generally, any home within those areas, or are there specific types of homes and properties?
They're going to need to be it's going to need to be a 1 unit property, and it's going to have to be your primary residence.
Gotcha.
But townhomes, PUDs, single family residences, those would be acceptable.
And it's pretty easy to search whether or not a house you're looking at is eligible. I think
Yeah, actually, you
pulled
know
up.
what? If you allow me to share the screen, I'll take 15 seconds here and let the audience see how to
Yeah,
do
let's go
it.
check it out.
Yeah, okay, let's see here. I will share the screen right now and we'll go over to the USDA website. So hopefully you guys can
Yep.
see the website here. So this is
Perfect.
USDA website right here, and you would go and type in your eligibility. So you go and search the property. So for instance, we wanted to look at this property on Galleria Court, 1174 Galleria Court in Atascadero. And once you type in the address, you can see right here that this is located in an eligible area. So meaning that this would be eligible for a USDA loan here. Okay.
Great.
Next, you could also go into an income eligibility calculator over here to the next page, and you're going to need to select the county, and then you're going to need to fill out your income, and usually you want your loan officer to help you with that, and then see if you guys can qualify.
Awesome. Is there anything that people need to know in terms of credit score or anything like that?
Yeah. So, with us, there's going to be a 640 minimum credit score. You need to have a 640. This loan does not require a down payment. You're still going to have your responsibility of your closing costs, though, however, so you need to factor in that. Either work with a great, realtor team to help negotiate that, because what's the biggest thing about real estate? Everything's negotiable. But generally speaking, you're going to have to come in with your closing costs, right? But your down payment is covered. Those are the two major things. And then also, this is a income limited, loan program. So there's going to be income limits associated to that. So when you type in your information, your family size, you'll get either this is okay to do a USDA loan or it's not. So
Right.
last time I checked for household of three, so 2 adults, 1 child, the county limit, I believe, is 125.
Gotcha. Well, tons of valuable information as always. A little bit more insight into a
Yeah.
USDA and how it could benefit a buyer here on the Central Coast. Once again, Harry, I look forward to our next chat as always.
Yeah, as always, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah. See ya.